Land Rover is re-engineering up to 150 Defenders with V8 engines, to celebrate the model's 70th birthday. The 5.0-liter V8 Defender will be the most powerful and fastest yet made, with the 90-in wheelbase model hitting 60 miles per hour from rest in 5.6 seconds. The Defender Works V8 will produce 399 bhp and 380 pounds-foot, while the standard Defender made just 120 bhp and 266 pounds-foot. Land Rover said it pays homage to early high-powered engines such as the Series 3-stage V8 and the 50th anniversary edition. The Defender Works V8 is the first official V8 Defender to be launched since 1998. Crossing the Atlantic in a Land Rover Defender, sort of. The re-engineered Defender uses an 8-speed ZF automatic transmission with Sport mode, along with uprated brakes, a handling kit consisting of springs, dampers and anti-roll bars, and exclusive 18-in alloys with 265/65 tires. 8 colors will be offered, with contrasting black roof, wheel arches and grille, and machined aluminium door handles. Fuel filler cap and bonnet lettering will feature. The interior will have a leather dashboard, door panels, headlining and Recaro sports seats and use the Land Rover Classic Heritage Arms infotainment system.